Hi, I'm Vidya. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. Good news for private schools. Education Ministry issues formal clarification on School Management Committee Guidelines 2026 following concerns over their applicability to private schools, refers to earlier DO letter dated 11th May 2026 and subsequent forwarding to Chief Secretaries on 15th May following the official launch of SMC guidelines on 6th May 2026. Centre reiterates that the framework was designed to strengthen decentralized, participatory and child-centered school governance through the concept of a single SMC across different school management categories, but clarifies that the guidelines are not applicable to private unaided schools covered under Section 2, subsection N, Clause 4 of the Right to Education Act 2009, provided such institutions do not receive any aid or grants from the appropriate government or local authority towards meeting their expenses. The ministry further states that such schools may voluntarily constitute SMCs to promote transparency, accountability, and participatory governance, reaffirms the 4 RTE school categories: government, government-aided, specified category and unaided private schools, and emphasizes that education is a shared responsibility of government, schools, parents and communities, requiring stronger stakeholder collaboration to improve school functioning, enhance learning outcomes and build supportive, effective and inclusive learning environments with the child at the center across all states and union territories. After resolving temporary technical glitches, CBSE restores online portal for accessing scanned copies of Class 12 answer books. Board says application facility is fully functional again, advises students not to submit duplicate requests as 1.27 lakh applications for 3.87 lakh answer books were successfully received within 3 hours of portal reopening. CBSE rejects claims of lapses in Class 12 on-screen marking scanning as factually incorrect. Board says scanning, quality checks, marking and evaluation were conducted under established procedures, continuous supervision and multi-level verification to ensure fairness, transparency and integrity in the examination process. Following NEET UG 2026 cancellation over alleged paper leak and examination irregularities affecting over 22 lakh candidates, NTA announces major examination reforms including senior leadership appointments, creation of CTO, CFO and HR positions, AI-driven monitoring, biometric and face authentication, stronger question paper security, digital infrastructure upgrades and enhanced governance to strengthen transparency, integrity and operational efficiency across high-stakes national exams. CBSE's new 3-language policy for classes 9 and 10 faces opposition in Karnataka as schools, parents and students raise concerns over reduced language choice, additional academic burden and implementation challenges. New framework requires study of 2 Indian languages, prompting concerns over teacher availability, infrastructure gaps and limited scope for foreign language learning. Ahead of NEET UG 2026 re-examination, Education Minister reviews security preparedness and orders crackdown on fake Telegram channels spreading false paper leak claims. Government directs NTA, intelligence agencies and social media platforms to strengthen monitoring, block suspicious networks and prevent misinformation creating panic among students and parents. NTA extends UGC NET June 2026 registration deadline to 23rd May following candidate requests. Application fee submission allowed till 11:50 p.m., while application correction window will remain open from 25 to 27th May to help applicants complete and edit forms before the examination process moves ahead. Several prominent schools in Chandigarh receive bomb threat emails, campuses evacuated, search operations and anti-sabotage checks launched as police, bomb disposal teams and cyber cell investigate origin of threats after no suspicious objects were found during preliminary searches. NEET UG 2026 paper leak exposed by Rajasthan chemistry teacher after identifying extensive match between viral PDF and actual exam questions. Whistleblower alerted NTA and authorities, triggering investigation that led to multiple arrests across states as CBI continues probe into alleged examination leak network. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.